Hello and welcome to this Myop tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to set up a client. Please note that setting up clients is only available for Myop Premium subscribers. To start, click on the Clients tab and then click on the New Client button. In the window that pops up, type the client's name or their business name. Click Create Client. That's all there is to it. From here, you can further set up the client by uploading their logo. To do that, select the client you just created, click on the Settings button, and then click to upload an image or GIF. Once you have navigated to the client's logo, simply click to upload it. If it fails to upload, double check to make sure that the image is less than 1 megabyte. That concludes this tutorial. If you require further assistance, please visit our help center at www.usemyop.com. Thanks for watching.